Hey, what's up guys? Billy with Side by Side Stuff. I'm here with Rico from MTX Audio, and Rico's going to tell us about the new Can-Am X3 kit.
Hey guys, let me tell you, this year we introduced our new kit for the Can-Am X3. Now what we see here is our full-blown Thunder 8 kit, but don't be intimidated by this because we actually have 4 different levels of kit. We have a 3-speaker, a 5-speaker, a 6-speaker, and of course the big boy, the 8-speaker kit. Let me walk you through really what you're getting in this kit whenever you buy the package. So, of course, we're known for our lower kick panel speakers. If you guys are familiar with our Razor kits already, so we've got lower 6.5-inch speakers that come fully assembled in the kick pods. Mount down in the lower kick panel. We also incorporate 4-inch ground up designed pod speakers that go in your upper dash panels. Now the cool thing about these speakers is we've actually aligned the speakers so they get more sound directly at the rider instead of firing up at the windshield like other people. So you actually get more volume and more sound directly at your ears, so it sounds even fuller and richer. We incorporate our MC3 source unit in custom dash kit, which mounts on top of your dash. Cool thing about this, it's the lowest profile dash kit on the market. It also gives you full access to your fuse cover panels, so you don't have to worry about removing or eliminating the access where you have to take the dash kit completely back off just to get to your fuses. We also build in our 400-watt 4-channel amplifier as well as a 600-watt monoblock amplifier to drive our subs, front and rear speakers. Now, next cool thing, subs. Everybody wants to know bass. Everybody wants bass. How do we get more bass? Well, you know, MTX has always been known for big bass. We always turn things up to 11. Believe it or not, this time we turned them up to 12. And by 12, I mean 12 inches. All right, we have dual 12-inch under-seat subwoofer enclosures preloaded with our shallow woofers, all driven off of our 600-watt amplifier. Now, believe me, these are loud. Now, you may look at it and go, 12-inch woofers. That's a huge enclosure. What about my seats? Guys, don't worry about it. We have built these enclosures so you can have aftermarket or factory seats, high position, low position, it doesn't matter. These don't affect your position of any seats that you may throw in there. But we want to have the rumble, so we went with 12s. And then lastly, we have to finish the package off with a set of our 65 PL rear speaker cans, integrated RGB lighting, just like the lower kick pod speakers, have full control with the remote control that comes with the kit. And as I said, we've got 4 different options. You can start low, you can expand the kit, or believe me, just go with the Big Daddy. That's all you need.
All right, thanks Rico. There you have it guys. You can find the MTX Audio Can-Am X3 kit and other MTX Audio products at sidebysidestuff.com.